Hello, hello. This is the little farm that is going on. Little farm. Yeah. This is a chicken. They're looking so big and beautiful. Look at them. And belly well full. Yes. I have to try do a little thing, Start a little business. Start a little farm. And have something going on. Look at them. They're so healthy. So ready to go to the cutting board. Yes, their belly is well full, and they're just relaxing until time to go to the cutting board. Yes, look at them. Okay. And over here we have some little babies, some little teeny babies. These are just 2 days old. 2 days old. They are so beautiful, enjoying their feeding and their water. Yes, you have to start a little thing, you have to try a little thing. You can have a little income going on, okay?